Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to bookmark in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Adobe Acrobat, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find recent files, start files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and lastly, right here, you're going to find other file storage. So you can add a file storage from here if you click on Add File Storage. Here in the top, you're going to find Menu, the home page, and Create if you want to create a PDF or combine files or open files. So let's say, for example, you want to bookmark a PDF, for example, this one. All you need to do, guys, is hover your mouse over the file, and then we're gonna find a little star right here. Just go ahead and click on the star, and then click on OK, and the PDF will be starred. And if you go to the starred files section, you're gonna find your PDF right here. If you click on it, right here, you're gonna have a lot of options like share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, add comments, and lastly, fill and sign. If you click on edit a PDF, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. You're gonna also have the option to convert your PDF to any form. And right here, also, you're gonna have the option to add your e-signature or to request an e-signature. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.